Hello, Bear Nation. Principal Wilson here with the first week of school update. I just want to thank everyone for their patience and their flexibility as we were able to make some adjustments and get things running smoothly with our car riders and our transitions within school. We had a great week with the kids. They've done awesome. I know that bus transportation is a frustration for many of you. They are working on that. We have a lot of bus drivers being trained right now. It just takes a little while to get them trained and being able to drive a route. So that should improve very shortly. Also wanted to strongly encourage all of you to please go on your parent portal. The instructions can be found on the Hall County website to sign all of those electronic forms, so we can get our Chromebooks handed out. We can get our sources of strength and our other groups going. We need those forms signed by all the parents. So if you would please do that for us this weekend. We look forward to having a great week next week. We're getting our athletics going, getting our extracurricular activities happening, and it's a good thing. And we appreciate y'all. Have a wonderful weekend. Go Bears.